This is John with Monster Transmission. We're back in the shop, and today I want to talk about coolers and why they're important to change out your cooler, right? There are some methods people use to clean out your cooler and flush your old cooler. That's a risk, it's a gamble, right? The vehicle, most of the transmissions we're selling, vehicles could be 10 to 15 years or older. So those coolers most likely, and the cooler lines, have a lot of buildup. And when that transmission fails that you have in there, all that material is gonna push right through those cooler lines and into that cooler. And the cans are pretty good, but all they'll do is really clean out the lines. They're not gonna actually clean out that cooler. And what happens too is you may flush it out, but as soon as you put that new transmission in, you put that fluid in there and it starts building up heat. All of a sudden, any of that debris that was sitting in that cooler, when you add that heat, is gonna start breaking up. It's gonna pump right through into your new transmission, and it's gonna cause a failure. So it's important, and we recommend that everybody replace your cooler. There are a few methods. There's a specific hot flush machine that you can see in our actually installation guide that we do recommend on newer vehicles if the cooler is obviously still in good shape. But we always will recommend a new cooler, and you can always find those on Monster Transmission. And of course, when you call to ask about any of our transmissions, make sure you ask about that cooler.